Another way to read the grand staff faster and efficiently just by using the clefs. So you have your grand staff here, right? Two staves connected by a line and a brace. You have your treble clef above and you have your bass clef below. Now this treble clef is also called a G clef. The bass clef is also called an F clef. So there's a reason why we call it G clef and F clef. If you compare it from middle C here, this is middle C, right between the treble clef and the bass clef. That's why we call it middle C, okay? Now, the G clef is actually, it indicates the second line as a G note above middle C. That's 5 letters above or 5 steps above middle C. C, D, E, F, G. So you can use this second line as your guide or your landmark for notes. If you have a quarter note here, second line, G line, G clef line, okay? Now the F clef, same thing. If you compare it from middle C, this F here starts on the second line from the top, okay? We usually count the lines from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in this case, you count it from the top, from middle C. So this is middle C, this is the first line, this is the second line. Now F clef is on that line. It indicates the second line as an F. So if you have a note here, that is an F. You can use these notes as your landmark also. So if you notice here, this G clef indicates the second line from C. That's 5 notes away from C, above. And this F clef is below middle C. It's also 5 letters below middle C. So it's C, B, A, G, F. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down below. So that is a 5th interval going down or going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F to C. Now C to G is also 5 letters away or 5th interval away. C to G. So that is what you can use to navigate your way through the whole grand staff. Just use these notes here.